Good evening.
Yeah. What?
Good evening.
What is it?
Do you speak English?
Yes.
You are sure?
Sure.
You don't lie me? What is your age?
What is your name? My name is Namash.
You did a good guess, but a wrong answer. How many years you do welding?
33 years.
Yes. Okay.
Wasting the time.
If you want, like the guy yesterday that
Yes.
was welding for 30 years
Yes.
and was doing oil tanks and